Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, welcome back to computer class, and here is a part 3 of chapter number 5, Advanced Features of Excel. Okay, so last video I explained you about chart type. I hope you all are get that point that what are the how many types of charts are there and what are the use of that different types of chart. Okay, so now let's begin in this session how to insert chart. Okay, so now from today we are going to start our practical chapter, means practical session. Okay, so you have to concentrate on practical screen, on my pointers and on my words. Okay, so let's begin with practical chapter. Okay, so press escape key, and do you remember that we have to open Excel. Okay, so open Excel in your computer or a laptop, and then afterward we have to do chart. Okay, because this topic is for inserting chart in Excel. In last video I'll remind you that remember this point that we have to open Excel, because this time we are going to create chart in Excel. In last year in 6th standard you learnt about inserting chart in PowerPoint. Okay, so this year we have to learn about how to insert chart in Excel. Clear? Now first of all, select entire worksheet by clicking on this arrow. Here you can see the arrow, click on it. So entire worksheet will be selected. Second way, you can press Ctrl A also. Okay, why we are going to why we are doing this thing? Because of changing font style, font size and font color. So each and every time in each and every cell we not have to change it again and again. Clear everyone? So that's why select entire worksheet first of all, and then afterward change. If you are doing any kind of work in Excel, you must have to do this point before starting your work. Okay everyone, so let's make a first of all table, because you all know that chart is based on table. Okay, means data. If you not have any data or any table, you cannot create any chart. Clear? So here I have one data like name. Press tab key, make the box big. I hope so you all know how to make a box big and how to write in Excel. Okay, so I'm directly writing now. Then afterward marks. Press tab key, make a box big. Okay, so click in the A2 cell. A2 cell means this one, and start writing the name of the student. Enter key press and start writing. Continuously write down faster. Okay, whenever you use keyboard in Excel, you can complete your work faster than using mouse. Okay, then Anika, and then last is Vijay. Okay, now click on the marks. Suppose that he's getting 86 marks, 78 marks, 95, then 89, and then 98. Okay, now let's begin for creating a chart. We have a table. In that one we have a name and marks. Okay, now how we can create a chart? For creating a chart, you must first of all you have to click in the center of the box, left button click, hold it down and select entire table. Entire table means the range of a table where you have a data. Okay, means that from A1 means this box till B6 this way. ओके कैसे करेंगे? A1 बॉक्स में क्लिक करके सेंटर में रखना है, नॉट ऑन द डॉट. इफ यू क्लिक ऑन द डॉट एंड ड्रैग, देन नेम विल कॉपी इन द अदर सेल. सो डू Ctrl Z, keep your mouse pointer in center. सेंटर में रखो, लेफ्ट बटन क्लिक, होल्ड इट डाउन दैट लेफ्ट बटन ऑफ माउस एंड मूव until you not select entire data. Okay, now concentrate how we can create a chart. Okay, now next thing we must have to know that which type of chart we have to take. So go to insert tab. In insert tab there is a chart group. You can see here chart group. Okay, there are all types of chart, column chart, bar chart, then this stock chart, line chart, and this area chart, okay, pie chart, bubble chart, every different types of chart is there. But as per our data, you must have to know about which chart we have to select. Okay, so according to our data we must have to select either column chart or a bar chart. Okay, so we are going to select today column chart. Okay, in column chart there is a different option, that 2D column chart you want or 3D column chart you want. Okay, if you want the 3D column chart, the column means data series you will get is in a 3D way. Okay, whenever you click on it you will get the chart here. Suppose that अगर आपका chart table के ऊपर ऐसे आता है, directly it is coming on the table only, so you have to click on this blank area, left mouse button press, hold it down and move this way. Got it everyone? So this way we can move chart from one place to other place. Understood? So here I'm going to give you the overview, means components of a chart. That this one, marks is a chart title. This blank, it means whole area which covered the chart is the chart area. This one, Kabir, Rajan, Ridhima, it is called a x-axis or a category name. Here 190 means marks is there, which is called value axis or a y-axis. Then you can see here the lines, means chart, where it is called a chart area. Okay, sorry, plot area. Okay, where the chart plotted. Okay, then afterward in that one you can see the lines, which is called the grid lines. Then afterward you can see the column is called a data series. Understood everyone? Now what you want, that here there is a no x-axis name or y-axis name is there. So if you want to plot x-axis name, y-axis name, and one more thing, legend also be there. So if you want the legend, then we can change it from the, whenever this chart is selected, जब chart selected होगा तब यहाँ पे chart tools के 2 tab extra new आ जाएंगे. Okay, chart tools 2 tabs extra new you will get on your screen. So go to design tab. Okay, in design tab there is a chart layouts. Okay, in chart layouts there is a quick layout also there. Okay, from this one you can choose anything like this type of things, which gives you this way. Okay, axis title also it will give you the option for axis title, that this is marks. Okay, give the axis title that this is the marks. Okay, here is the marks as a this blue color you can see is showing you the legend. Here chart title we can give as per our choice, जैसे कि mark sheet of class 7. Clear? This way we can change the different layouts thing of your chart after creating it. समझ में आ गया? So one more time let's delete this one and one more time we are going to create it. Okay, suppose that आपके पास चार्ट डेटा है, ठीक है, here is the data. सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, you have to select that data this way. Okay, now go to insert tab. Whenever you go to insert tab, you must firstly assure that which chart type you have to select. कौन सा chart type आपको select करना है as per your data. if you have a data according to pie chart, you have to select pie chart. Okay, but हमारा जो data है it is for column chart. So click on the column chart and you can choose from here 2D or 3D column. Okay, so suppose that मुझे choose करना है 3D type column. So click on the 3D. Here you get the चार्ट, बट इट इज़ कमिंग ऑन द टेबल. टेबल पे आया. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, ये जो ब्लैंक एरिया दिख रहा है, क्लिक लेफ्ट माउस बटन देयर, होल्ड इट डाउन, सो यू विल गेट दिस 4 हेडेड एरो. क्लिक ऑन इट, होल्ड इट डाउन एंड ड्रैग इट आउटसाइड. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू here, chart, all the chart components is available, but some few elements are not available. So go to there, you get two. If it is selected, then there you get 2 new tabs, which is called chart tools. So go to design tab. In design tab there is option quick layout. In quick layout you can choose the layout option. Okay, so here you will get the legend also, axis title also, and chart title also. Clear? So suppose you want to change it, click there, press backspace key and give the name of that axis. Chart title also you can give by clicking there and clear it and give the name of your chart. Okay, here it's showing you legend, axis title, y axis title, x axis title. This is legend, this one is a grid lines, chart area, then this one is a plot area. Here is a plot area, this one data series. Okay, this way all components are covered here in the chart. Okay, I hope so this easy topic you get that how to do it. Understood? So now one time, as per your choice, you can take any kind of data, any names, any marks and try to do this creating a chart. Understood everyone? So then afterward you can complete how to creating a chart option here. Okay, in next video I'm going to explain you about formatting a chart. Formatting a chart means what, that how you can change this background, means chart area color, how you can change this legend color, how you can change the plot area color. Okay, that all things we will learn in a next video, but before that you all have to complete practical of this topic, how to insert chart by yourself. Then only you clear this point that how to do it. In the end, if then also you cannot get, you stop at any point, you can immediately ask me in comment section. Okay, and then afterward I will solve your doubts in the next video. Okay, so till then stay safe, stay happy. Okay, bye everyone.